Hi everyone. For those who don't know me, I'm Beth Bailey and I'm the yoga instructor at the Racquet Club of St. Petersburg. I've just launched an online scheduling system that I'm pretty excited about. So I just wanted to give you a brief tutorial to show you how to determine which class is best for you, sign up for classes, or cancel classes if needed. So you could see here that I am on zinfandaleyoga.as.me. By typing that into your search engine or copy pasting, it'll bring you to this site. And on this site, the first thing you'll notice is this description of what yoga is. It's not a full lecture on what yoga is, but it's just a synopsis so you could see if it might be good for you. Beneath there are several different types of the classes I'm currently teaching, along with descriptions. I also have workshops listed here. April's workshop, Tending to Those Crabby Knees. But you'll see private sessions, classic fundamentals. Classic fundamentals, 50% stretch, 50% strength. Have chair classes and restorative yoga, which is typically the most balancing for everyone. And this is why I have it listed first. But each type of class has a description here. So you're able to determine based on those descriptions. And it's not always easy as it seems. So if you do struggle with it, please feel free to reach out to me. But let's just try booking a restorative class. Once I click on restorative, it shows me a calendar with all of the available dates, which will always be in bold. So I'm just going to click here on the 14th and see what's available. We have two classes listed. We have one at 12 o'clock and we have a second at 5 o'clock. So I'm going to go ahead and sign up for this 5 o'clock class. Note that the phone number is not a requirement here. Only the red asterisks are those requirements. I'm not going to spam anyone. That's simply to give you reminders, confirmations, that sort of thing. So I've got my email, I've got my name, I'm going to complete the appointment, and I am now scheduled for that restorative class. It shows the price on these, but not going to pay online. Still going to pay at the Racquet Club. You can pay by card, check, cash, in the pro shop, and you could also pay me as well. This might be a feature I add later, but currently it's just not the best move I can make right now. You have some options here. You'll notice adding to calendars. Can also return to schedule another appointment. Now with that jump, I've moved over to my email just to see my confirmation there. So I've received the confirmation. It has the address. But if you scroll down here, you'll notice that it also has change or cancel appointment. So I could go right here and I could cancel. and I get that confirmation that the appointment has been canceled. Look forward to seeing you there. Please let me know if you have any questions.